Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for the new invitation. In this opportunity, I speak about the knowledge mobilization and since for what and for whom. The knowledge mobilization is a new culture of spread knowledge. Research engagement and knowledge mobilization are essential elements to understand the purpose and impact of research. Knowledge mobilization refers to how knowledge generated in the academic fields is translated into actions and decisions that have an impact outside educational institutions, research institutions, especially in the social and political sphere. This concept recognizes the importance of integrating extra academic interest in the research process, from the selection of topics to the use of results. Knowledge mobilization has different perspectives in the literature, from the use of evidence for decision making in public policy to the translation of research results into actions. This mobilization also involves effort to share research results with potential users or actions that prepare knowledge for its effective use, mediated by interlocutors. One of the central questions that guide knowledge mobilization is with whom is research engaged? This is a crucial question to define research agendas, evaluation criteria, and the usefulness of results. Research is not an isolated process. It involves external actors and is aimed at solving specific social and educational problems. We can think in some definition and approach to knowledge mobilization. For example, the use of knowledge mobilization has several approaches. Use of evidence for public policy. Research can provide data and analysis to support policy decision. As Nutley think, we can think in method to translate results into actions. Research results are not only theoretical, but can become practical tools, as Bennett think, or in the idea of effort to share results. This perspective focuses on the dissemination of findings to those who can use them, such as professors, educational administrators, or policy makers, as Levin thinks. In the other way, we can think in actions to prepare knowledge for practical use. Knowledge is distributed and placed in the hands of actors capable of directly intervening in the problems, as Levesque thinks. The question of the usefulness of research is a main question. The interest in the mobilization of knowledge arises from the need to question the usefulness of research. It is not just about producing results to meet academic objectives, but about thinking about how those results can contribute to solving real problems in society. From a critical position, In the idea of criticism of academic productivism, it is argued that the main objective of science is not only to produce knowledge, but also to transform reality. The critical paradigm of research emphasizes that knowledge shall not be limited to understanding the world, but to changing it. In this sense, the mobilization of knowledge is not understood as a subsequent step to the production of knowledge, but as an intrinsic aspect of the process, from the selection of topic to the evaluation of research. Some words about the commitment in research. The commitment of research cannot be ignored. The question, committed to whom, is a crucial question and must guide each research project. Research cannot be neutral or deconstructivist. It is always linked to interests and objectives that must be explicit from the beginning of the process. Ultimately, knowledge mobilization seeks to articulate understanding with transformation, making research relevant and useful to those who need it most. Students, professors, researchers, administrators, and society as a whole. In this field, knowledge transfer is a concept that finds its roots in technology transfers, has gained relevance in the field of science and technology management over the last 40 years, especially in the last 2 decades. Although the concept was not initially designed for the social science, its appropriation in these fields has generally dispute about its meaning, leading to a crossroads between the notion of transfer and social transfers. In the discourse of both science and technology managers, especially in social science researches, knowledge transfer takes on multiple meanings, ranging from the generation of information to the resolution of public problems. These meanings are linked to a mode of knowledge production that is not based solely on a logical method, but on social elements that frame research practice. The literature on knowledge mobilization poses a duality between accumulation-oriented knowledge production and transformation-oriented knowledge production in the idea of adaptation of knowledge for specific users. This distinction is crucial since the process of knowledge adaptation is considered as a part of production itself. The production of extra academic agents, adopter of demanders, redefines the process of knowledge production, incorporating new dynamic and resource. These agents are not simply passive recipients, but active participants in the research problems, which signals a significant change in the role of the social researchers in today's society. This is the end. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much.